Hey guys, Happy New Year. I hope you all have an amazing 2020. I'm just so excited for this year. I don't know, like everyone I've talked to has a feeling that this year is going to be great. I know that's pretty much in your head, but I still believe it. So well, considering I had 2019, so it is January 1st 2020. I was gonna vlog today, but everyone's home, so today we went to my mom's house for lunch and then the grocery store. I just red boxed this. I don't know if you guys have seen this, Rambo Last Blood. I think I saw the first Rambo and I don't really remember it, so yeah, we're gonna watch this tonight. I just did my makeup really quick for this video. So one of my New Year's resolutions was to read one book a month. I know it sounds dumb, oh, you're only reading a book a month, but I never get to read. I have books and I start reading them and then I just never finish. So the book I picked for January is Power You're Happy by Lisa Sugar. She's the founder of Pop Sugar. I actually got this at Dollar Tree. I got a bunch of books, some of them from Amazon and then some of them from Dollar Tree. So yeah, I don't know if I'll put that in my Mahusive haul later. It says, work hard, play nice, and build your dream life. It looks like a really quick read. There's 200 and something pages. A lot of it is in bullet form. She broke things down into categories, not really a novel. So I think this will be a good book for January to get me into reading again. And also at Dollar Tree, I got this calendar. They actually have a ton of calendars at Dollar Tree. We'll put this in front of my desk area. Just has little sayings. Dominique hates stuff like this. And then I got this little one also at Dollar Tree. And I'm gonna put my sales every day so that I know how much I made, because I'm really bad at that. So yeah, this will be for my business. This one is the planner I'm going to use for mainly bills, because I have a binder. Let me grab that. I got this binder. I think I got this at Office Max. So I'm not going to show you inside because it's personal, but all of my lists and to-dos, daily, monthly, weekly, are going to be in here. So I have dividers, and then I have just lined paper to make my lists and stuff. So I'm gonna really stay organized this year, because I was not organized last year. I literally shoved stuff in Trader Joe's bags. I'm I'll go through them later, and I just never did. So yeah, this year is going to be different. So yeah, I got this binder for that. I think this is $5 or $6. I was gonna get a Michael's planner, but every time I buy one of those, I use it for 2 months. Something about it just makes me not want to finish it. I've never finished a planner for an entire year, ever. I don't know why. I just get bored of it, or just I don't like the layout. This one got at Marshall's for $7.99. I'm sorry if this is boring. And then I want to write my YouTube videos in here in the weekly, and then I don't know what I'm doing yet. I haven't started it, but it's a cute silver color, and then it does fit in that binder, so I can have all this together. And then even if I want to put this in there, I can. And I also got these divider things in here, and they have pockets, so I can put stuff in there. Not a lot of the stuff in December, when I realized that I was just sick of the way I was doing things. So yeah, that's how I'm going to stay organized. I got a few gifts from friends. Just got this in the mail. Thank you so much, Scotty. He is my best friend. I think he found my YouTube channel first through my comment on someone else's video, a movie reviewer's video. So yeah, we became friends on Instagram. I think it's been 2 years. So he sent me a Sephora gift card. Thank you so much, Scotty. And then a friend and subscriber sent me the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette, and I was actually shocked that she sent me this. So thank you very much, Alma. I've never had a Jeffree Star palette. I already bought the the Morphe Jeffree Star palette for the giveaway that's going on right now. The New Year's giveaway, and then I was oh, I bought one for myself because it was so pretty, and then I got this in the mail, so that's so sweet. So Alma, I will be sending you something, so check your mail next week. So pretty. And I got these two really cute notepads from Mary. She's also a subscriber and friend, and then she also sent me a Christmas card. I have it over there. This one is for Liz. And I love this. I'm super weird. I love, oh, my battery's dying. I knew I should have switched it out before I started filming. I think I was talking about this. I'm super weird. I like to make lists, even if I have to go to like the store, I will make a list. So this is like perfect. This one matches. It says happy thoughts and it's just a notebook. So I can write like ideas and stuff in here. So thank you so much, Mary, and I will be sending you something for Valentine's Day. So I got this package early December from, I think, my oldest friend on YouTube. No, she's not my oldest like in age, but she's like been my friend the longest on YouTube. I think it was like 2013. It's crazy. So her name is Blue Cupcake Fish. Please check out her channel. She's really a good person and she looks like Amelie. She sent me a surprise box and I sent hers like I think a week after. I think she just got it. I love this brand, Milka. Target carries this, but not this big. This is super heavy. It's like a chocolate and biscuit bar and it's huge. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna share this. I asked her what this is and she says it's coffee in a bag and all you have to do is put water and a straw, something like that. So this is coffee in a bag. I've never seen, we don't have this here. This card, and I save all of my cards that I've gotten from everybody since I started my YouTube channel. This is a sheet mask, Prime Youth Black Sea Cucumber. Never tried Black Sea Cucumber, but I've tried cucumber and it's good. Latte mask and Americano mask. So I'm assuming these are like coffee sheet masks. And then these are cute. These are little gummies in the shape of a star. I can't read anything except for Germany and vegan. So I guess it's like cinnamon orange. I just dropped one. Cinnamon orange tea. And then these, they're like little cookies, like star cookies. I'm like addicted to lip balm. This one says mint. The brand is Kneep. It's not an overwhelming mint, but it kind of looks like the same color as the EOS sticks. Every time she sends me a mint lip balm, I love it. There's one more of these gummies hiding in here. And then there's this other cute bag with a lipstick. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick in rust. Like a dark brown color. I don't have anything like this. I have like a one that is more like purple based, but this is straight up like a dark brown vampy look. These are Kinder Bueno Minis. Kinder's a good brand. I've been seeing it more in like grocery stores now, especially those egg things and then like the candy bars and stuff. So yeah, that is what she sent to me. So sweet. Thank you so much, girl. Sorry about my hair. And then I'll show you what I got myself for Christmas. I got this mug at Ross when I was looking for ornaments and I didn't find any there. And I don't need any mugs, but I really love what this says. It says Fiesta, then Siesta. And my dog who passed away, her name was Fiesta Lulu. And I still think about her every day, so I figured this would be really cute to put at my makeup table or my desk. And then Sephora was having that, like, say that coupon thing for the holidays, like if you spend $75, you get $25 off. So this has been on my list forever, my loves list. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Luxury Palette of Pops. I've tried a couple of Charlotte Tilbury products, like her powder, and I didn't think it was like amazing, but this I've been eyeing for a while. The one that's all shimmers, and these are the colors that I wear all the time. So I think I'm gonna love this, and this was like $53. I bought something else to make for the $75, so I got, you know, this for maybe $35, something like that. So yeah, I figured to use that coupon for something that I've been wanting a long time. And I saw this at Walgreens. It was $30, but then I saw like a sale thing on it for 50% off. So I got this whole set for $15. They're really cute. Like there's little like orange plastic rocks in there or something like that. Two more things and then I will stop babbling. And Urban was doing a 25% off if you order like two or more items or three or more items. So Dominique says this is a horror manga. I don't know, I just thought she was cute. I used to have this hairstyle. If you go back to like my first YouTube video, I had this like weird hairstyle. It looks cute on her, but it did not look cute on me. I had bangs that were too long. And I've been looking for like a canvas bag where I can just like Mom, I'm filming. I'm filming. I'll call you back. Okay, I'll call you right back. Bye. So I just want like a canvas bag to carry around like if I'm out running errands where I don't have to carry my purse because my purse is really heavy. This was $24, 25% off. And I'm not really like a backpack person, but I love metallic silver and gold and I don't know, shiny stuff. This is an Adidas backpack. It's not like a full-size backpack. It's not a mini, it's like in between. So this was originally $60, which is nuts. I don't think I would pay $60 for this. And then it was on sale, and then I got the 25% off. So I think I ended up getting this for $22, $23, something like that. So that is all that I got myself for Christmas. I think that is everything I wanted to show you and talk about. So yeah, thank you and Happy New Year.